Hello guys, this is a longer duration video rather than our usually Bitcoin short videos that we share on our channel. The reason for this video is to analyze the price of Bitcoin once it broke this strong area here, the major support here structure from the which starts from 51k to 50k. This started from 12th of May. So here we take a closer look. Once the price broke this strong major structure, the price started consolidating for how many days? For taking from here, for 54 days. So something which is very important is that the longer duration that the price of Bitcoin consolidates, most probably once this strong, let's say, major potential structure will break, the breakout most probably will be stronger. So if we take a closer look here, for the last 3 days we had a breakout. The breakout at 13th of July. So for the last 3 days, the price of Bitcoin consolidated basically here and retesting the potential major structure, which starts from approximately 33k to 33, basically 714 to 33,217. So should we worry about that? Basically, we are still bullish on Bitcoin, even from what we can see today. This is why I wanted to make this video, to identify together the next potential support. Now let's say that this breakout to the downtrend will continue. So the next potential, let's say support major structure, will be most probably the 23,000k. We can expect the price to reach this in case that the price will continue. If we want to take a closer look on the 4 hours, let's take a closer look. On the 4 hour, we can see that the price, we can still see some very strong rejection here in the potential structure. So once the price came back to retest the zone here, we have seen some rejection and the price continued to drop. Where do we expect the price to go? We might see the price going as low as 23,000. This is the truth, guys. We don't plan to execute any short trades at the moment. One strong support to highlight here in this video. If you take a closer look here, we just reach the around 31k strong support. You can see tested here June, 8th of June. Then the price came back. One time here again. What is important to know is that the more time that the price tests the support, the weaker it becomes. So we might see this line breaking, okay? Once it broke this support, we might see the price dropping down to 23k, because other than this line, we cannot see any other strong support for the price of Bitcoin at this level. This is the last strong support. So if we see a breakout, a strong breakout of the support, we might see the price going 32k. Discuss what would be the bullish scenario for this. As we have discussed already, the bearish scenario. So as we said, once we might see a breakout of this strong support around 31k, which I think would be possible because we tested multiple times in the past and it held. But the more we tested, the more likely it will not hold. So once this support would fail to hold the price, we might see the price dropping as low as 23k. So what would be the scenario of a bullish scenario? What might happen? Let's take a look on a daily. So what would be the scenario? What might happen? What is more likely to happen is the price to hold at 31k or even break, fail to continue, then bounce back immediately. We are not interested to enter in any long trade. It would be a high risk. We want the price to come back, start consolidating again. Once the price breaks the strong structure, we wait for a retest, and then on a retest, once we will see strong rejection signs, boom. Then we will enter a long trade back to 50k, which most probably is going to be the next strong resistance for Bitcoin price, because other than the 50k, we don't see any other strong resistance for the price. So this might be a strong, nice target for us, the 50k, to enter a nice long trade. So let's summarize the video together. As we mentioned earlier, there are two possible scenarios. The bullish, that we mentioned at 50k, and the bearish at 23k. The bullish scenario, we are not interested in any long trade at the moment. This would be a very high risk. As a traders, we want to be less emotional as possible, stick to what charts are telling us, and at the moment, even if we are bullish, we believe that the bull market hasn't ended. Right now, we have just broke a strong major here structure, which might end up going as low as 23k. We don't see ourselves entering into any short trade, especially if we are still bullish on Bitcoin. But even if this is the scenario, we never go against the trend. So at the moment, let's be honest, the trend is bearish. So as long as the trend is bearish, we will wait until Bitcoin gives us more sign. Once we are ready, then we will enter into a next long position. At the moment, we'll sit back and wait and see what the price of Bitcoin will do, even if it will bearish, or if we will take the scenario that we're looking for. We came back consolidating at this area here, start consolidating again, and then enter right after the breakout. Once on the retest, once we see strong rejection. And this is what we mentioned earlier in our video at the beginning. The longer duration that the price is consolidating, the most likely the stronger it will be. So we can expect a strong price movement after this area right here. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and speak soon.